take a couple of minutes, not very long, to actually get into a couple of things that we can do naturally to begin the process of restoring wellness when it comes to addictions. Like I mentioned before, definitely getting taking care of the digestive system. So that would be with digestive enzymes. Probiotics is questionable, however, depending on histamine problems. However, a better way to do it would be digestive enzymes and include some quercetin. That's spelled Quercetin. Quercetin actually helps to activate histamine receptors as well as heal the gut. Quercetin is found in things like artichokes. It's also found in the white skin and citrus fruits. So there's a couple of ways to get quercetin. It is a bioflavonoid, but like I said, it helps to heal the gut and restore and activate histamine receptors. Those would be two things nutritionally. Other things that you can include would be, now I'm just giving you, I want to qualify this before I go any further. These are generalized. These are not for everyone. So if there is a specific situation that is questionable, I would advise you to be in touch with me because I could help guide you. Because the digestive enzymes and the quercetin, it could be for anyone. Beyond that, anything else I say from this point forward, with the exception of possibly vitamin B complex, would be not for everyone. Maca root is questionable. It's a good source. It really supports the endocrine system. It is not to be used for any great length of time, 4 to 6 weeks maximum, based on what the bottle says as far as suggested use. But you want to stop after that. Again, that is a conditional thing depending on the individual. Things like walnuts, raw walnuts, avocados, they both work with the liver, help flush toxins that are being built up due to chemical imbalances. They help stimulate BH4 production, which is a chemical needed for neurotransmitter production. So those are a couple of good foods. Beets. I love beet chips. I'm not crazy about beets, but beets are real good about keeping the liver clean. If you've been living with addictions, your liver is compromised. So getting beets into your diet would be really fabulous. Let me think here. Sweet potatoes would be good. Eggs are awesome. These have B vitamins, as does the avocados. They also which really helps to break down the carbohydrates. So they're really, really good sources of B vitamins. Eggs also provide choline, which helps to, it's very good for the neurological system. And brain health. I know there's some conflicts out there, but I do want to qualify and say that I actually have gone through the Institute for Integrative Nutrition and have spent a great deal of time studying nutrition outside of that program as well, and really learning about the different cofactors or the nutrients within the foods that are used as cofactors for these genetic issues that I'm talking about. So that's where this is coming from. That said, with the nutrition, oils. Let's talk about oils, because I'm sure that's what a lot of people want to know, because that's my background, right, as well. So a couple of oils that I would suggest. Myrrh and German chamomile work with the immune system. And we're also talking about opiate receptors there, and thyroid. Now, again, I want to say that this is not a be-all, for everybody. You really have to be mindful of what you're actually trying to produce in the body, and just ending the addiction is not the only thing. You're actually wanting to help people find peace within their body So regulating chemical imbalances is necessary so the complete picture is an absolute. A couple of other oils: clary sage, geranium, copaiba, that's spelled Copaiba, Roman chamomile, frankincense, and that's where I'm going to stop. If you have any questions, please comment below, or email me directly, and I'd be happy to assist you further. Until then, have an absolutely beautiful day. Thank you.